Good morning, everyone. Coming out here to see if my zucchini is ready to be pollinated. And I believe it is, because I see some flowers over here. Let's see. Yay, it opened up. That one right there. Okay, so we want to make sure we get that pollinated. So we're going to take the man. Take this male flower here. Gonna peel all this back. Sorry as pretty as it is, but peel all that back. And I'll rub it up in there. Gotta get it up in there good. Got to be pollinated by now. I rubbed it as best as I could. Alright. So we will know when it closes up. It's gonna start growing bigger than that. Got a bigger one down there. Look at that. Okay, it's pollinated. How big my watermelon is getting. Two of them. Had to put the okra in the ground. Container wasn't draining well. Some okra.